Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to search for unread emails in Gmail. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly find your unread emails. I'm also going to show you how to set it up so that you always have your unread emails appear on the top of your inbox. So to quickly search for unread emails, what you want to do is go up to the search bar and type in is:"unread. And this will show all your unread emails in your Gmail account. Now, if you only want to search for emails, unread emails in your primary inbox, you're going to want to change up that search filter a little bit. Instead of doing is:"unread, you're going to want to type in category, primary, space is:"unread. And this is going to search for all your unread emails in your primary inbox. So I'm going to press enter, and now I fine tuned it down to just 2 emails in my unread, that are unread in my primary inbox. Now, if I want to set it up so that I always have my unread emails on top or appear on the top of my email, what you want to do is go over to your settings. So go to the settings cog in the top right, select that, and then select see all settings. This is going to get you to the main settings menu. Under the main settings menu, go over to inbox, which is the third option on my screen. And then under inbox, go to inbox type, and then change it from whatever the dropdown is. In my case, it's default. Change this over to unread first. So this is going to have all my unread emails appearing first, followed by my read emails. And then save changes to make sure that goes through. And now, as you can see here, I have all my unread emails on top. It's going to show every single unread email in your entire account, not just the ones under the primary category. So as you can see here, I have the 3 YouTube again, which are found under my social categories. And then I have the 2 Google ones, which are in my primary inbox. And that is how you search and find unread emails in Gmail. I hope you found this quick video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you in future quick videos.